So when we're multiplying polynomials, there's many strategies we can use. I want to look specifically when we're moving into something like a trinomial. Notice we have 1, 2, 3 terms by 2 terms. So in doing that, we need to ensure that we distribute 3x squared to the 2x to the negative 3, the positive 4x to the 2x and the negative 3, and the negative 6 to the 2x and the negative 3. With all these arrows, it can get really confusing. So I like to use the grid or area model, which I will show you. So notice I've taken our polynomial multiplication here, and I've taken each of these terms, 3x squared plus 4x minus 6, and wrote that along the top. Similarly, 2x minus 3 is written along the side, and then I have an area to multiply each of them. So I know my first multiplication is 3x squared times 2x. I'm going to complete that in the square for that. So 3x squared times 2x is 6x cubed. I'm going to continue with all of my multiplications in this fashion using the grid. So 2x times 4x is 8x squared. 2x times negative 6 is negative 12x. 3x squared times negative 3 is negative 9x squared. 4x times a negative 3 is negative 12x. And a negative 3 times a negative 6 is a positive 18. Looking at like terms, I only have one that's cubed. I have two like terms to combine that are squared, giving me a negative x squared. Negative 12x and negative 12x is negative 24x. And a positive 18. So this is my answer when I multiply 3x squared plus 4x minus 6 times 2x minus 3. The reason I like this method, this grid or area method, is because you can use it no matter how many terms you have. So in this one, notice I have 4 terms. X cubed plus 4x squared minus 3x plus 2. I'm going to multiply that by 2x squared plus 5x minus 1. 4 terms along the top means I need to split it into 4 boxes. And then 3 along the side gives me an area of 12 multiplications to complete. But I'm not going to do that. This is your first homework problem. Go.